What's up, guys? CryptoSavvy here. Welcome to the channel where you subscribe to get daily updates every day on Bitcoin. We also do Litecoin and Ethereum a couple times a week, and then during the week we take a quick look at the Dow Jones at the end of each video. If that sounds good, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, we have a free Discord group in the description below the video. If you haven't checked it out yet, I suggest you do. It's a great community, great group of people. Definitely check it out, and let's get into it. What's up, guys? As always, this is not financial advice, trading advice, or investment advice. Always do your own due diligence and come up with your own decisions and conclusions. These are my opinions of the market. All right, we are doing a giveaway, Kobo Vault Generation 2 hard wallet at the end of the video. Make sure you stick around. All you got to do is contact me afterwards, and you got 24 hours to claim the prize. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and you'll get entered to win next week's on Sunday. So yeah, let's get into it, see what's going on. I already made this video once and I forgot to do the giveaway at the end, and I don't edit videos, guys, so I'm gonna make this super quick and get to the giveaway. All right, let's we're not even gonna look at the news headlines. There's nothing really great in it. Crypto fear and greed index, we are at 41, dropped 3 points from yesterday, still in the fear zone. This is looking at the thumbnail I posted. If we look at this as a symmetrical triangle, I'm doing the measured move from this peak to this peak. I'm not going all the way up to the tip of the triangle. I suppose you could, but let's just take a look at it this way. If we were to break up past that 9,400, we could be looking at $11,600 Bitcoin. I'm bearish, guys. I think we're most likely headed down to this area, in my opinion, and a break of 9,000 would start heading us down that direction. We do have other targets, though, that could be support, so we'll take a look at that. Let's stretch that out just to see what happens if we go to the top of this triangle, and if we broke out there, that would get us up to around 12,400. And a breakdown from there would get us around the $6,000 range. So we'll see what happens there. We are getting tight towards the end of this. So this is PrimeXBT you're looking at. This is their analysis section, which is a trading view chart within the PrimeXBT exchange. If you guys are interested in trading where you can make money or lose money on the way up or way down, definitely check out my tutorial. I'll leave it up top for PrimeXBT. And if you look at, if you do sign up and look into it, you can use my promo code Savvy50. It'll get you 50% off or 50% bonus on top of your deposit up to 1 Bitcoin. Savvy25 will get you 25% off your fees. They have a new co-vesting feature on here where you can copy trade other traders. You can zoom in, look at it, their statistics, check it out if you're interested. You can also put in how much you're willing to lose before you want to get out. You can put your money in and pull it out anytime you want. Definitely check it out. Awesome new feature. And another thing I like about it, if you go into the trade section on PrimeXBT, you can do a lot of different stuff with the format. You can set up multiple charts within your one screen if you don't have multiple screens or whatever. I got 4 set up on this one. You can put as many as you want, and yeah, check it out. It's a great exchange, guys. Let's you can trade, oh yeah, let me show you real quick. You can trade all of this stuff over here, all this Forex, Bitcoin, EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, like I said, a bunch of Forex and other stuff on there. Let's move on with it. All right, looking at the monthly, higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI, bearish divergence. This is a monthly, takes time to play out. Same thing in the weekly. Let's look at this on the monthly too. If we look at this falling channel, if we were to come back down and test the bottom of that, also lining up at the 55 EMA, that gets us that target of 5,400 we've been talking about forever. And right here, as you can see, we have a higher highs in the price action in the weekly, lower highs in the RSI. We do have a higher target off here, looking at this as a falling broadening wedge. The measured move of that being 16,000. That's a bullish case scenario. Of course, I'm bearish still. A weekly close above this 98.35 tonight would make me bullish. I don't think that's going to happen, but you never know. This is Bitcoin. It is the weekend. All right, let's take a look at the daily. I've added another trend line, this yellow one in here, off of the 2 wicks. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks right here, along with the wick down at the bottom. So, as you can see, the volume's still declining, still waiting for a massive move, guys. Looking at this rising channel in white, our measured move off that is 6,900. And if we look at our measured move off the orange line here, looking at that as a rising broadening wedge, gets us about 5,600. And if we look at the pink line here, measured move off that gets us around the 43.78. And then that one I added today, the yellow one here, a measured move off that to get us down to around the $4,000 range. Let's look at the RSI. All right, looking at the RSI, we were looking at this as a head and shoulders with a neckline right here, which we did break below, broke back above, and right now we are testing it again. A close below that in the daily is going to be pretty bearish, guys. I believe that'll be pushing us down to retest the bottom of this falling wedge again. We'll see what happens. Let's take a look at the daily chart and look at our Fibonacci retracements of this move. From this swing low to swing high of the Fibonacci retracements in here, the 0.236 being 88.90, which we got a couple bounces off of already. A break of that, we'd be looking at the support around 85 to 8,600. A break of that is the 0.382 fib at 79.41. 7,700 after that. If that doesn't hold, 71.40 is the 0.5 fib, and then we have our target of 6,900. A break of that would get us down to this golden pocket zone between the 61.50 and 63.60, which is the 0.65 and 0.618 golden pocket, golden retracement. Then we have our target of 5,400. If that doesn't hold, 0.786 fib lies at 52.51. Don't forget, guys, we do have a CME gap down here around 3,500. If we did come down there, I would expect to be a quick wick. Get all the stops for anyone that went long here. That is what I believe. Of course, a break above this 10,560 would change everything, turn me bullish. What we could be looking at here is an inverse head and shoulders, this being the left shoulder, this being the head, and forming the right shoulder. Now that could get us, we could get that bounce out of that $6,100 to $6,400 range, which is the golden pocket zone, and off to the races from there if we break this neckline and come back down to retest it. We'll see what happens, see how it plays out. That's why I do daily updates, so we can keep up on the market. Let's go to the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, looking at this as a rising channel, the measured move of the break of that, which is around 9,000 as of today. Obviously, we'd have to break this 88.70 first, but that also gets us down to this 6,900 range. Actually, let's put it up a little bit. About the $7,000 range. So that it's confluent with all the measured moves down here. Also, keep in mind, if we do break up above that, and I am wrong about the bull trap, which we'll talk about in the 1 hour in a second, the measured move up from there is about 10,560, which is the area that we would need to break to become bullish, in my opinion. Let's look at the EMAs here, see what's going on. On the 4 hour, we are below all the EMAs here, guys. That is bearish. I think we come down and at least test this $9,000 range. A break of that, like I said, next support's 88.77. Then we have the 85 to 8,600 in here before coming down to retest this bottom of this trend line here between the 8,000 and 8,200, depending on how long it would take us to get down there. And then we'll have to see what happens if we get down to those levels. Keep in mind, though, right now we're looking at this 9,400. See what happens. See if that can hold as resistance. Don't forget to check out my wife's webpage, inkyourimage.com. It's Ink Your Image, INKUR image. There's a link below in the description. Check it out. A lot of cool crypto stuff in here. And she can put any coin you want, any saying, anything actually that you want on any of this stuff. Doesn't have to be what you see. If you want to give it away as a gift or whatever, hit her up in the contact if you have any questions. Looking at the 1 hour, I have a Fibonacci retracement from this swing high here to the swing low down here. We did get our rejection around our golden pocket zone up here. As of right now, we're getting support on our 0.382 fib, which is 91.90. A break of that, our next line of support is around the 0.236 at 90.40, 90.50, right in that range. And let's take a look at the measured move of a breakdown from this rising channel. If we were to break that 9,000, it could get us down to around that $8,800 range. That would be the measured move of the fall of this rising channel. Remember, we've been talking about a bull trap. This could have been the top of it here, but we could go as high as 0.786 fib at 58 or 95.80. I still believe it would be a bull trap unless we broke that and closed at least a 4-hour above it. So keep that in mind, guys. And looking at the 1-hour EMAs, bearish, guys. The 8 has crossed the 200, 13's crossing it now, 21 seems to be next, and then a 55. If that happens, it's ugly, and we are going down. If not, obviously, if we can break up past this, let's look at the red falling channel here. A measured move of that gets us up to the $10,400 range. And that is breaking that golden pocket zone at around 9,400. So that's key right now. If we break above 9,400, I'd be looking for a rejection at 95.80. If not, then it's looking bullish after that point, guys. Now coming down to retest the bottom of this red trend line would be between 8,000 and 8,300. If it came straight down now, it'd be around 8,400. Obviously, I think that would take time, and somewhere in between the 8,000 and 8,200 range maybe coming down in here. But that's what I'm looking at. Again, I'm bearish. I'm showing you my opinion on the market. Make sure you make up your own. Watch some other channels, see what they say, see what makes sense to you, and go from there. But as of right now, that's what I'm seeing. Let's pick the winner. All right, we'll generate a number 3. We'll go to the videos 1, 2, 3. And we will copy the link address. That was the Bitcoin breakout versus fake out. Let's go over to, let's load the comments to pick the winner. And for some reason this takes forever to load the comments, but let's retry it. It's not letting us do it. I hope this doesn't screw with me because I just remade this video because I forgot to do it last time. Come on, load them up. Well, let me reload this. Oh, sorry guys. Let's get that off of there. Cancel. Let's redo this whole deal here. What is going on? Home. YouTube random. Let's try this one more time, guys. Sorry about that. Copy link address. Put it in. Please work this time. I don't feel like making another invalid video ID. Don't see how that's invalid. We just took it. Do it again. Dang it. If this doesn't work, I will have to do the giveaway tomorrow. And I apologize if that's what happens. Get rid of that. Put a new one in there. Come on. Load up. Nope. Still not working, guys. I don't know what is going on at all. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not doing anything different than I normally do. Try it one more time, and then I'm sorry. I will try to fix it up and put it in tomorrow's video. Oh, here we go. Finally. Sorry about that. I can't win. Yusuf M. Hardy, you've won. Contact me. I have an email address down below. Or if you belong to the Discord, get a hold of me in there. And congratulations. You have 24 hours to get a hold of me on it. Take it easy. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping in. Don't forget to click the Crypto Savvy logo above my head to get you subscribed to the channel. Tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos. Smash those likes, leave your comments, and share the video if you would. I'm out.